The Sanjuk of Rangbashnong met the Chief Minister to discuss the issue over the new SOP provided by the government. Speaking to the media, Mr. Blas said that the Sanjuk gave the suggestions to the government to examine each and every case properly before allowing the person to go for home quarantining, because as the locality heads, they have the responsibility towards ensuring safety for the overall population of the respective localities. And they know exactly which household can arrange for home quarantine and which household cannot.
Kadang yang kena lalu tu niru tes poster kunun hasa usia tinggi orang bah government kadai ban examine case to case si orang hasa hanya mar kidan di macam tu nak kalian ke health department kadai ban pusai bah kamu ayu kata mut kadang arja yang bah long poster way wala ban spread berkarya way pan bakokot ho lele yiki way pan di kum kita kis ni orang ba kawai di ban pekin ya kayin kasam di ban sim ya kijing ajmut yang bidor basna mentala dal briu shongwa samsung kenra gejaka ni bar kadang tang akli umno kala belong ba dia share lang ya kata kabu kajima bakra di yaki bomlong kikis bahaba kira seperti corona care center